Hey FundedYouth, so we got an update to the rockets. Let's take a look at that. So we're down here with the rocket stand at the moment. Let's get this all rigged up. Make sure that's tight. And then let's get our power cables connected. Yes, we made an adapter cable about 9 foot using computer power cables. So let me pop that in, connect that up. If you hear any background noise, that's because I'm in a mall. The pump cable itself is hooked up to this little beautiful thing here. So let's jump over. At the other end, here's our power connector. Here's the end we're gonna connect it to. I'm gonna hold off on that real quick so you can see inside what we've been working on. So if we take a look at this right here, we have our on-off toggle switch or power switch. So power on, power off. When I flick that on, which is connected to a 9-volt battery, it'll turn it on, as long as I don't rotate it wrong. Turn it off, it'll turn it off. It'll give power to this DPD momentary switch, which when connected, we wanna make sure we flick to close off first, and then flick forward to rocket or launch the rocket. Inside, if we take a look at that, what we've done is we have this connected to a 9-volt battery. It also has an on and off switch on the back. And then I've created 4 variations of this. You can't really see the backside entirely at the moment, but what I have is I have a pin connector. Let me pop that out so you can see it closer. So we come in here, and I made it so that it was easily portable or movable wherever we needed to, using PCB green board. Everything's soldered on effectively. I made pin adapters for it. I know I'm getting a little out of screen here. But basically what comes in is we have the power come in on the ground side right here. Or we have the, and then yeah, ground coming in here, power coming in on this side, and then I have it jumping from the power up to the toggle, or the key switch. The key switch comes down and jumps over to a center piece here. If we look close, if you can see it, it's kind of hard to see on there. It'll jump in, and then it splits the power between a 680 ohm resistor that's then jumping to its own little control system on here for turning on the LED light. At the same time, this initializes and lets us know that there's power being fed to the DPD switch, which is then able to activate it. So yeah, let's jump into that. Okay, so let's get this back closed up. I'm not gonna put the pins in at the moment. I'm just gonna make sure it's kind of closed. As good as I can get that so it's not pushing it out. Then I'm gonna take my adapter or my power cable. I'm going to plug in red to red, black to black. And you might not be able to hear it, but I'm going to turn on the power, pull down on the toggle switch, which closed the port system. And then before I launch this off, let's jump on over to the pump system now. Okay, so we're back over to the rocket. Let's pop on a sample rocket. I should have put the alignment for the fins down at the bottom, but I did not. I messed that up. So now let's test to see if this works. Let me grab the control panel. Make sure it's on. Okay. I toggled something over. Let's see if this actually works. Let me run a test here. I've got my gauge down here. I'm gonna pump a little bit. It sounds like it's actually open. So what I need to do is I need to toggle back, turn that open, or close that. Got about 10. And then let's bring this over and see if we can get this to launch correctly.